Hi everyone, this is Shashank Tumala. Few of you guys know me. If you are from anywhere in India, because I am a constant uploader in terms of the fashion or styling tips on Instagram and YouTube. I'm a fashion content creator. आपको पता है ना, మీకు తెలుసు కదా. So last 3 years or 4 years దగ్గర నుంచి నాకు hair loss ఉందన్నమాట. First of all, this is impromptu. You must be seeing my hair in messiest condition possible right now. आपको वीडियोस में अच्छा दिखता है, मतलब मैनेजेबल hair already है. So when I asked the quotations, it just seemed reasonable. मतलब मैं 10-15 clinics को गया. Few of them are like very commercial, I would say. Means like they would start with a absurd amount of like 100-120 per graft, and the moment you say that it's very high on budget, they will come like 60-50. ऐसा होता है. But here they kept a very reasonable price to start with. And then when I explained that this is not something, the price point which I'm looking forward to, then they frankly asked me what is the exact price point and whether that's feasible for them or not. ऐसा बात कर दिया and తర్వాత మేము అగ్రీ చేసుకున్నది చాలా మంచి ప్రైస్కి ఇచ్చారు. సో in terms of the budget and also in terms of the experience, like what I have, be it in terms of the starting from the reception person to the doctor, మనకు షుగర్ కోటింగ్ ఏం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే దీంతో మనం జస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇప్పటిదాకా. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఎక్సైటెడ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ నర్వస్. ఇందాక నేను చెప్పినట్టు ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ గోస్ వెల్, హోప్ఫుల్లీ ఫింగర్ క్రాస్డ్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ గోస్ వెల్, after 8 months or 9 months, the look will be completely different. It will be enhanced. Or nervous endukante, like never know. We have to wait for 6 months or 7 months. It's a long process. It's a long journey. So for everyone, including me, it's a big decision. This is not something which is easy. And నాకు నార్మల్ ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటేనే భయం. ఇప్పుడు అనస్థీసియా ఇంజెక్షన్ ఇస్తారు. సో నేను ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ సర్జరీ చేసుకోవటం అంటే అది నాకు చాలా చాలా పెద్ద విషయం కింద లెక్క. ఎందుకంటే చిన్న ఇంజెక్షన్కి భయం ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఇంత పెద్దది తీసుకోవడం చాలా కష్టం. బట్ ఐ మేడ్ అప్ మై మైండ్. देखते हैं, hoping for the best and let's see. So I opted for that and I'm glad I did that. Extraction went very well. The only thing obviously anesthesia time lo pain aithe untundi. Naku inka injections bhayam kabatti for sure anesthesia time it will be slightly painful, but after that you will not feel anything. So that's the extraction process, and after that we were given a break and then followed by the transplantation. Depending on the grafts, I opted for the 4,000 grafts for the hairline. I'm extremely satisfied. హెయిర్ లైన్ కైసే ఆగా, ఎందుకంటే నాకు కావాల్సింది ఈ టెంపుల్ ఏరియాస్తో సహా కిందకు వచ్చేటట్టు కావాలి. సో దానికోసం నేను రీసెర్చ్ చేశాను బేసికల్లీ, లైక్ ఇలా వచ్చేది ఏ సెంటర్స్లో చేస్తున్నారు, ఏ క్లినిక్స్లో చేస్తున్నారు. నాట్ దాట్ సమ్మన్ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్, బట్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ హౌ వెల్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది పోస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ రిజల్ట్స్ ఇస్ కమింగ్. So that's what I researched for. Research करने के बाद I'm glad that I ended up here. I really liked how the hairline was done. Skill is not just enough when you're going through a hair transplant, because as a person who is getting treated and who is actually undergoing surgery, there will be many more queries. हमारे mind में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So each and everything the answer चाहिए kada. So they were very patient enough in terms of answering my very novice queries. Some are like maybe baseless, but as a patient obviously we would be having that in our mind. So I asked each and everything. Doctor was patient enough, even the surgeons when they are doing, they were skillful as well as patient enough, and they were checking constantly that whether everything is going the way I expected that to be. As a patient we appreciate that. So that was there, and maybe post few months down the line, once the staging phase is over, pata chal jata hai kitna aa gaya, like, but hoping for the best. And I am glad actually that I chose this clinic, and maybe after 3 or 6 months maybe I will feel even more glad or better. Let's see that. Anyway, thank you.